Welcome to Pekka, a distributed computing platform that will allow you to conveniently and securely rent out your idle computer. In this tutorial, we will go over how to add your Windows computer to our Pekka platform. First, go to our website gopekka.com and log into your Pekka account. If you do not yet have an account, you can click Register Now to register. Once you are logged in, make sure that you have the Chrome extension MetaMask installed. If not, follow the instructions at the top of the website to set up MetaMask. MetaMask will allow you to use distributed applications such as Pekka on your browser. Once you have set up MetaMask, connect it to the Pekka website. Make sure you are on the RinkB test network. You will also need some Ether on RinkB and Pekka tokens to use our platform. You can find more detailed instructions for the MetaMask setup process on our website. Next, click on the Provider tab on the left and go to Add Computers. Click on the Download button next to Windows. This will download a zipped folder containing the Pekka installer. Unzip the folder and run the Pekka installer. If a warning is generated, click on Run anyway. This will open the Pekka installer. Follow the instructions to install the Pekka application. If the installer suddenly quits, please consult our troubleshooting page to fix this issue. When you are done, you should see the Pekka application icon on your desktop. To run it, right-click on the icon and select Run as Administrator. When the Pekka app is running, the Pekka icon should appear on the right side of the taskbar. Click on the icon and log into your Pekka account. If the Pekka app is stuck for an extended period of time while starting up, please consult our troubleshooting page. Once you are logged in, the status bar should say Offline, meaning that your computer is currently not on our network. Now, click on Start Pekka. If the status bar says Online Not Available, this means your computer has now been added to the Pekka network, but is not yet listed on the market. If you would like to list your computer onto the market, go back to the Pekka website and click on the Provider tab and go to My Computers. You should now see your computer listed under Computers. Click on the computer you just added and select Config Hosting. You can now adjust how much of your computer you would like to rent out and the amount you would like to charge for renting. When you are finished, click Confirm to list your computer onto the market. The Pekka application status bar should now say Online Available, meaning that customers can rent out your idle computer. When that happens, the status bar will say Online Working. So, with just these simple steps, your computer can now earn you extra money through our Pekka platform.